Hello Virgo, Ako ulit Virgo. So, tingnan natin kung anong random message mo Virgo. Random message for my Virgo please. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Random message Virgo. Tingnan natin kung ano lang mag-pop out. Random message for my Virgo please. Para po sa hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po Virgo. So, let's see. Ace of Cups, Two of Swords, Six of Pentacles. Sa Virgo, there is a decision making here. Nasa crossroad ka ba regarding sa new love or regarding sa past love? Yun ang nakikita ko dito Virgo. Hindi mo alam kung saan mo ibibigay ang energy mo. With the Three of Wands is being here, you are planning something here or you are waiting on something. So yeah, let's see. Clarify the Ace of Cups Virgo. Clarify the Ace of Cups. Clarify the Ace of Cups for my Virgo please. Ace of Cups. Nasa crossroad ka ba Virgo regarding sa decision making mo when it regards to love? Okay. Loving yourself or loving someone or new love. Clarify the Ace of Cups please. Ace of Cups. Oh, Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles and the Nine of Swords. Someone, Virgo, hindi ko alam kung sino to. Three of Wands again. Merong nagpaplano dito, Virgo, regarding sa new beginning with you. Okay, there is nagkakaroon na siya ng sleepless night, Virgo. Okay. There is someone here, Virgo. Sino ba to? Temperance card. Sino ba? Four of Cups. There is a rejection here, Virgo. I think you rejected this person. Okay. Someone wants a new beginning here with you, Virgo. Stress out na siya. Nag-aantay siya dito. Nag-aantay siya. Binabalance siya yung emotion niya but having a sleepless night, Virgo. Okay. This person na feeling rejected by you. Yun ang nakita ko dito, Virgo. So, this person is a past person, okay? Maybe ikaw ang nasa crossroad or maybe this person is on the crossroad, Virgo. Okay? So, this person is thinking about you are giving something or nagbibigay ka or binibigay mo yung energy mo on somebody else. Okay? Okay, yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. There is someone here that is having a sleepless night. Gustong magkaroon ng new beginning sa'yo, but I think feeling rejected siya, okay? Hindi ko alam kung anong ginawa mo sa kanya energetically or may sinabi ka or I don't know kung anong nag-take place, but this person is waiting for you. Waiting for you to come in. Pinipilit niyang i-balance yung emotion niya dito with the Temperance card, okay, Virgo? But with the Nine of Swords, having a sleepless night, anxiety, okay? Meron siyang iniisip dito with the Ace of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles, Virgo. New beginning with you. But I think there is a missed opportunity or maybe you rejected this person or feeling rejected, Virgo. Baka wala ka pang sinasabi or something or maybe action speaks louder than voice, I think, kind of thing. So with the Two of Swords being here, clarify the Two of Swords. Judgment card, decision making talaga, Virgo. Kailangan talaga mag-decision. With the Magician card, manifestation. With the Hierophant card and the Seven of Swords. Okay, Virgo, someone here is sneaking something out, Virgo, or doing something behind the scene, voodoo thing. Pero kung hindi ka naniniwala sa voodoo, Virgo, with the Magician card and the Seven of Swords, with the Hierophant, someone needs to make a decision or fully decided, okay? Meron siyang gustong gawin, no, kay Virgo, but at the same time, pinupull siya. Merong nagpupull out sa kanya, pero nag-i-sneak siya. Kumbaga, halimbawa kung ikaw man tong energy na to, meron kang gusto, okay? Meron kang gusto Pero, merong isang nag-a-after sa'yo na, I mean, clarify the Hierophant card, the World card, okay. So Virgo, merong new beginning na naghahabol sa'yo or may suffer with someone, okay. Pero iba yung gusto, okay. Iba yung gusto niya. But there is an opportunity here of commitment with the Hierophant card, Virgo. Para bang sabihin natin, two person, okay. Yung isang person, maybe engaged or commitment or married or something, but the another person wants the another one, okay. Kaya nasa crossroad siya, okay. With the Judgment card is being here, someone here is destined to be married, but the another person, kung sino man yung ikakasal dito or kung sino man yung magkukumit dito, gusto niya yung another person, kind of thing. Wala siyang feeling dun sa another person, ang mas gusto niya is yung another person. Nagigits mo ako, Virgo? Yun ang nakikita ko dito. Okay, so let's see with the 6 of Pentacles, 8 of Cups, 6 of Cups, Page of Cups, oh my God, puro Cups, and the 3 of Swords. Virgo, someone is missing you here, someone is missing your energy, kung gaano ka give, kung very giver ka to this person, okay, Virgo, this person is very nostalgia. I think you walk away with this person, Virgo. Okay, with the Page of Cups, kasi parang feeling ko, ang offer niya dito is very immature. Okay, Virgo, but with the 3 of Swords, this person is really heartbroken to the situation na nag-walk away ka, okay. But this person is reminiscing about the memories, okay. Yung memory niyo dito, Virgo, how generous you are, how forgiving you are, how loving you are with the 6 of Pentacles, Virgo. Kahit wala ka na, ibibigay mo ba, okay. But with the 8 of Cups, I think kada nalabas ang 8 of Cups para sa akin, Virgo, you are not satisfied into the situation. So, maybe this person is nag-show siya ng affection or emotion, bare minimum, not the same as you. Okay. So, but now, this person, the moment you walk away, this person is reminiscing your past here, past, basta, this person is really heartbroken, missing you so much. But there is a waiting here. May nag-aantay dito, Virgo. Sabi ko na, 9 of Swords ulit. Dalawa lang 9 of Swords mo. So, there is an person here, Virgo, na nag-aantay sa'yo heavily. Okay? Very heavy. Someone's a new beginning with you, okay. Pero merong nakadestined para sa person na to, but nag-sneak out siya, nagra-run away siya, okay, sa kung ano man tong nakadestined sa kanya. Kasi meron siyang minamanifest na iba, okay, meron siyang gustong iba, okay, Virgo, yun ang nakikita ko. Okay, so let's see, Virgo. What is the advice for my Virgo, please? What is the advice? May titignan tayo with Virgo dito. With the High Priestess, Virgo, I think, the High Priestess, I think this person is like, following their intuition. Okay, or maybe this is you, nararamdaman mo, there is a telepathic communication that is na nagtitake place energetically dito, Virgo. Okay, so, I think maybe, nagtatry siyang mag-communicate sa'yo telepathically, Virgo, or energetically, okay. Pasensya na po sa background, Virgo. Okay, pasensya na po sa background kasi po communication is the key, and your dreams need a practical plan. Yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. And you're very close to achieving your goals, okay. So, yun na nakikita ko dito, Virgo, with a conclusion or within reach. Okay, so, bahala ka dyan, Virgo, kung saan ka lalapag dyan sa advice na yan. Communication is the key. Maybe kailangan mo makipag-communicate to this person kasi meron ng stress out dito. Okay, your dream needs a practical plan and you're very close to achieving your goal. So, yeah, and conclusion is within reach at the bottom of the deck. So, Virgo, yan lang ang aking advice. Hindi ko alam kung saan ka lalapag dyan. Tingnan natin kung anong angel message number mo, Virgo. Angel message for my Virgo, please. Namimiss ka na nitong person na to. Okay, Virgo. Yung energy mo. And this person is really heartbroken. Hindi ko alam kung na-reject mo to, Virgo, or I don't know kung nangyari sa inyo. Pero meron naka-destiny sa kanya, Virgo. Okay, pero tinatakbuhan niya Virgo kasi meron siyang ibang gusto dito. Ayun na mangyari. Gusto niyang mag-start sa'yo ng new beginning but merong nag-sneak na nga siya, nag-sneak out na siya. Kasi meron nakadestiny sa kanya but ayaw niya. Four of Hearts. 441 Virgo. I-google mo yan Virgo, 441. Angel message number. Baka makaresonate sa situation mo Virgo. 441. So, yeah. That's what I have for you Virgo. Sana po nakaresonate kayo. Sa mga hindi po makakaresonate, better luck next time po Virgo. So 441, Google mo po siya, angel message number. So that's what I have for you Virgo. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching Virgo, and bye for now.